Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Dynamics from the 2023 Wave 10. It is Kevin Harvick's Mobil 1 2023 Next Gen car. And on the back you can get other cars like Chase Briscoe's Tony Stewart Mahindra car, Daniel Suarez's Pitbull Freeway Insurance car, and also look out for the Gain AJ Allmendinger Chase Piece car. You know, one thing I really like about this package is, of course, the Forever a Champion, because, well, 2023 was Kevin Harvick's final year before making up to the Fox Sports booth. So, yeah, and obviously looking at the car, it's plain white, and it's one of the many variants for the Mobil 1 scheme in 2023 for Kevin Harvick. I'm going to get the car out of the box and take a deeper look into the number 4 Mobil 1 Next Gen car, and I'll be right back to show you the car. Alright, so now that I got the car out of the box, let's take a look deeper into the number 4 Kevin Harvick Mobil 1 car for 2023. There's nothing much about it. It's just mostly a plain white car, and of course you got the plastic blue number 4 red outline, and of course the same Mobil 1 logo. One thing about the side of the car is that you still have the Pegasus. The Pegasus is a lot bigger compared to the 2022 variant. There were many other variants of the car. There's like one was like silver, a little bit of silver on it. There was one where it was a throwback to, I think, to Tony Stewart when he had the Pegasus wing at the Indy road course. And then you got like a Take 5 sponsorship with some black. And of course for Las Vegas, you got a complete black with some gold on it. You still have the same Mobil 1 logos and the same sponsorship. Pretty much, this car is just, you know, plain and kind of boring, if I'm honest. I mean, it's not, it's like one of the worst Mobil 1 schemes for 2023 that Kevin Harvick drove. I do like the Pegasus, the one with the Pegasus wing around it. I think that one was a lot better than this one. And to be honest, though, he did drive it for, like, in the early part of the season, and then, boom, it just got away. Also, one more thing, though, the Forever logo here, although it's very blurry to see it, but yeah, right here you got the red 4 and Ever, which is blue, which is kind of nice. And then you got some mini sponsorships on the side here. There's nothing much to it, so I think we're just going to end it here for today. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.